Arrive in style with this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are differential, heavy-duty locking rear, air cleaner, high-capacity, rear-wheel drive, cooling, external engine oil cooler, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, alternator, 150 amps, body, chassis cab, frame, fully boxed, hydroform front section, steering, recirculating ball and exhaust, aluminized stainless steel muffler and tailpipe. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.